Well, there's anger not only about the grand jury's decision, but also the process itself. With us now is the attorney for the Brown family, Benjamin Crump, and civil rights lawyer Charles Coleman here in the studio. Crump, and Charles, I want to bring you into this conversation as well. There's still a lot of talk over what the prosecution did or did not do in this case. Outside of Darren Wilson testifying for a lengthy time, we had something like 60 witnesses, 72 hours, 25 days worth of testimony here, but a lot of people charge that the prosecutor in this case, Rob McCulloch, did not do anything to really push for any kind of prosecution on at least 5 different indictments. How do you feel about that?
You know, Julian, the last time we spoke, I had not had an opportunity to go through the voluminous case file that was related to Darren Wilson's indictment. Since that time, I've had a chance to take a look at it, and one of the things that has struck me as a former prosecutor was particularly with respect to Darren Wilson's testimony in the grand jury. I never got the sense that the prosecutor was actually looking to secure an indictment. It felt, when I read the transcript, more like a direct examination where there were very open-ended questions, and Darren Wilson was essentially allowed to just tell his story. Now, when I was a prosecutor in the DA's office here in New York, one of the things that I relished was getting a witness who testified in the grand jury, because that was my opportunity to really nail it to them with a cross-examination. I never got that sense. I didn't get the sense that the prosecutor really wanted to push for the indictment, particularly when they had Wilson on the stand in the grand jury.
And there's so many things unusual, as I understand it, about how this laid itself out, this data dump, if you will, document dump in the grand jury. Doesn't the prosecutor usually go before a grand jury with a very streamlined case and they advocate for the indictment that they want?
Absolutely. Bob McCulloch said something which I found peculiar during his remarks. He said, well, our interest or our intent was to get justice. At the point that a prosecutor makes a decision to go and present a case in front of a grand jury, their mission is to secure an indictment. And they should have already made a determination with respect to their desire to get justice. And I felt like they sort of just put everything in front of the grand jury and decided, well, we'll see what sticks, as opposed to having a very strategic, very tactical approach to try and secure an indictment against Darren Wilson.